cell phone was trying to tell my jihad jokes. It's a bit rude if you ask me. What's your name?
Claudia.
Claudia, that's my middle name.
A pretty guy.
Did you come to see me, or did you come just to sit on stage and look at that fucking sound booth?
Stage.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
I run CNA.
Oh, good for you. Good